So in this video we are going to learn battery charging sections, like how to we use a DC power supply and how we'll come to know that my battery charging or not with the help of this current. So I have a laptop here, and what I'll do is I'll just remove the battery and I will see. I'll remove the battery. Now what I do, I connect this laptop to this DC power supply here, and now the battery is not there and I'm not going to turn on the laptop. The current should show somewhere around 4 to 20 milliampere, and current is showing somewhere around 4 milliampere. So it's the laptop in standby mode. So it's showing, now it's showing a 2 milliampere, but that means the SI is consuming the power. Now when I'm going to connect the battery, at that time the current should increase. So what I'll do, I'll connect the battery now.
Okay, so we are done with this now.
I'll connect the battery. Now I connect the battery. Then battery is there. I connect this power to the laptop, and then you can see here the current is increased. The current is gone to 190 milliampere. So that means the battery is charging. So in this indication that the battery is charging on this motherboard. So like that. Okay. So if the current is not increased, if the current is remained only the 5 milliampere, that means the battery is not charging. In that case, you have to open the laptop and you have to go the battery charging section. First, in that case, you have to first replace the another battery, working battery, and recheck. And if you put a working battery but still the problem is not solved, then you have to go this section. You have to go to the battery charging section. So this is a battery charging section, and you have to check this 2 MOSFET. You have to check this capacitor. Sometimes these 2 MOSFETs are bad, so you have to replace this 2 MOSFET. If you replace the 2 MOSFET but still the problem is not solved, then you have to change this battery charging chips. Okay, so it may be the ISL or Richtech company, so you have to replace the chips. So in this if you replacing one of the things, then your problem gets solved. So in this way you can solve the battery charging sections, and for that you can use a DC power supply to check the current. But if you have a Dell laptop, then your Dell laptop won't charge the battery with the help of DC power supply, because DC power supply doesn't have adapter ID signal. It's called the PSID signal. For that, if you want to use a DC power supply to check whether the battery charging, in that case you have to use a PSID circuitry is there. That PSID circuit is available, so you have to put that to the DC power supply, and then only the battery will charge. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.